Hello, boys and girls. I am Mr. C. Are you ready to learn with me?
Mr. C, guess what?
Yes, Larry?
You have on your learning glasses.
Yes, Larry, I know. I have on my learning glasses.
Guess what that means, Mr. C?
I don't know, Larry. What does that mean?
You look like you're ready to learn.
Do you remember what letter makes the B sound? Yes, the letter B makes the B sound. Guess what? I have a surprise. Do you know what this is? This is a baby dog. A baby dog is a puppy. Baby begins with the sound B. Can you make the B sound with me 3 times? First, let me put down the baby dog. All right, before we make the B sound 3 times, let's count my 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. Now let's make the B sound 3 times. Let's go. B, B, B. Good job. Can you say the word baby? Say the word baby with me. Baby. 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 B is the first sound you hear in the word baby. Did you hear it? Listen. Baby. B is the first sound you hear in the word bear. Listen. Bear. Can you say the word bear? Bear. Did you hear the B in bear?
Yo, B is a letter, bounce with me. It's the second in the alphabet, can't you see? Big B stands tall with 2 round bumps. Little B's got 1, no need for jumps. Is the sound it makes like ball and banana and birthday cakes. Blocks, books, and a fuzzy bear. So many B things everywhere. B is for boat that sails on the sea. B is for bird up in the tree. B is for button on your shirt. B is for bandage when you get hurt. So bounce to the beat now. Let's all try. Make a big B up high in the sky. Now draw a little B down low on your knee. You're rocking that letter like a BMC. So big or small, it's plain to see. The letter B is the place to be. So big or small, it's plain to see. The letter B.
Whoa. This here is uppercase B. Uppercase B is big and tall. It's made with a straight stick that goes up and down, up and down. And it has 2 bumps on the right side, stacked on top of each other, just like 2 donuts. Can you point to the uppercase B? Yes, this is the uppercase B. Watch me make the uppercase B. After I make the uppercase B, we'll practice making the uppercase B together. All right, it's time to get messy with Mr. C while we make the uppercase B. So first, I'm going to make a straight stick that goes up and down. I'm going to go back to the top and make 1 bump. Then I'm going to make another bump. Do you see the uppercase B? Let me make it again. First, I'm going to erase that uppercase B. Now let's make it again. I'm going to make a straight stick that goes up and down. Then I'm going to make 2 bumps on the right side. First, I'm going to go to the top of my stick, and then I'm going to make 1 big bump. Then I'm going to make another bump. Do you see the 2 bumps stacked just like 2 donuts? Here they are. Here's my first bump. Here's my second bump. Now, practice making the uppercase B with me. Are you ready? Let's go. First, we're going to make a straight stick that goes up and down. Here's my straight stick right here. Then we're going to make 1 big bump at the top and 1 big bump at the bottom. Let's make our big bump at the top first. Don't move your finger. Now let's make the second bump. All right, let's try making the uppercase B again. Let's make our straight stick that goes up and down. Let's make our 2 big bumps on the right side. First, we have to go to the top of our straight stick. Now, let's make our first big bump at the top. Remember, don't pick up your finger. Now, let's make our second big bump at the bottom. Let's try making the uppercase B one more time. All right, let's go. Let's make our straight stick that goes up and down. Let's go back to the top of that straight stick and make a big bump on the right side. Let's make another big bump on the bottom. But remember, do not pick up your finger. Do you see the uppercase B? Now that you've made the uppercase B, let's see if you can recognize the uppercase B. Is this the uppercase B? Or is this the uppercase B? Yes, this is the uppercase B.
I am the uppercase B, the uppercase B, the uppercase B. I am the uppercase B, the uppercase B. Can you find me?
Let's see how many uppercase B's you can find. I'm going to give you 10 seconds to find all of the uppercase B's. Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did you find all of the uppercase B's? How many did you find? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 uppercase B's. This here is the lowercase b. Just like the uppercase B, the lowercase b is made with a straight stick that goes up and down, up and down. And instead of 2 bumps on the right side, it has 1 bump on the right side that sits right at the bottom. Can you point to the lowercase b? That's it. That is the lowercase b.
I am the lowercase b, the lowercase b, the lowercase b. I am the lowercase b, the lowercase b. Can you find me? I am the lowercase b, the lowercase b, the lowercase b. I am the lowercase b, the lowercase b. Can you find me?
Now let's practice making the lowercase b. Just like the uppercase b, we're going to start with our straight stick that goes up and down. I'm going to go up halfway, and then I'm going to make my big bump on the right side at the bottom. Let me show you one more time how to make the lowercase b. First, I make my straight stick. I'm going to go halfway up. Then I'm going to make my big bump on the right side at the bottom. That is how you make the lowercase b. Let me show you one more time. First, I'm going to make my straight stick. Then I'm going to go almost halfway up. After I go halfway up, I'm going to make my big bump on the right side at the bottom. That's how you make the lowercase b. Now, try making the lowercase b with me. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. First, we're going to make our straight stick going up and down. Without picking up your finger, go halfway back up. Then make a big bump on the right side at the bottom. Let's try that again. First, let's make our straight stick. Without picking up your finger, go about halfway up. Then make your big bump on the right side at the bottom. Good job. Now that you've made the lowercase b, let's see if you can recognize it. One of these letters is the lowercase b. Which one is it? Is it this one or this one? Yes, this one is the lowercase b. Let's see how many lowercase b's you can find. I'm going to give you 10 seconds to find the lowercase b's, starting right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did you find all the lowercase b's? How many did you find? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 lowercase b's. Did you find all 4? Great. Let's take a look at some pictures that begin with the sound B. B. Broom. The broom is pink and yellow. B. Brown. This is the color brown. B. Black. This is the color black. B. Book. Look at the bear and duck reading a book. B. Ball. Look at the balls bouncing. B. Bag. The bag is brown. Now it's time to play Which One? I'm going to give you 2 choices, and your job is to identify the word that begins with the sound B. If the word begins with the B sound, shake your head yes, like this. If the word does not begin with the B sound, shake your head no, like this. Are you ready to play? Let's play Which One? Which word begins with the B sound? Is it fly or bike? Yes, bike begins with the sound B. Which word begins with the B sound? Is it big or small? Yes, big begins with the sound B. Which word begins with the B sound? Is it car or bug? Yes, bug begins with the sound B. Which word begins with the B sound? Is it bus or apple? Yes, bus begins with the sound B. Which word begins with the B sound? Is it kite or balloon? Yes, balloon begins with the sound B. Which word begins with the B sound? Is it box or toy? Yes, box begins with the sound B. Which word begins with the B sound? Is it truck, or bear? Yes, bear begins with the sound B.
Hi friends, I'm Max, and this is my buddy Larry.
Hi, everybody.
Today we're going to talk about something really special. Can you guess what it is? That's right, kindness.
What is kindness?
Kindness is when we use our words and actions to make others feel happy and loved. Let's say I have this toy, and Larry wants to play. What can I do?
You can share with me.
That's right, Larry. Share is one way to be kind. Kindness also sounds like this. Please. Thank you. I'm sorry.
Oh, like when I bump someone and I say I'm sorry?
Yes, that's being kind with your words.
Or if someone feels sad.
If someone feels sad, we can help. We can ask, are you okay? Or, do you want to play with me? That's kindness too.
Okay, friends. Today, your challenge is say something kind to a friend. Like you're awesome. Or thanks for playing.
You got it, Larry.
When you see a friend in need, share a smile, you'll do a good deed. Helping hands and words so sweet. Kindness makes the day complete. Be kind in all you do. A little kindness comes back to you. Be kind, it's easy to say. Let's spread kindness every day. Yeah, clap, share your cheer. Stomp, show you care. Wave, kindness grows like a garden. Watch it glow. Be kind,